Good afternoon, students. We started with the 5th unit, Constitution of India. And we started the silent features of the Indian Constitution. In previous video, we see these points: lengthiest written Constitution. So, Indian Constitution has, in the beginning, it had 395 articles, 8 schedules, and 22 parts, whereas at present 463 articles, 12 schedules, and 25 parts are there. Because of these article numbers, Indian Constitution is called as the lengthiest and written constitution because USA's constitution consists only 7 articles. France's constitution has 92 articles, whereas Japan has only 103 articles. But compared to USA, France, Japan, you can see Indian Constitution's article 463. That's why it's the world's lengthiest written constitution. First, second, we see preamble, which is called as a political manifesto, which is called the soul of the Indian Constitution. And this preamble tells us about India. India is socialist, secular, sovereign, democratic and republic country which secures its citizen justice, equality, liberty, fraternity, unity, integrity. All the things have been ensured to the Indians by the Indian government. And these things have been clearly mentioned in preamble. Then, Indian Constitution, part number 3, article number 12 to 35, it consists of fundamental rights. These fundamental rights are called as a Magna Carta. It consists of 6 fundamental rights: right to equality, right to liberty, right against exploitation, right to religion, educational and cultural right, and constitutional readiness. These 6 fundamental rights. Then, fundamental duties also are there, which have been mentioned in our Indian Constitution, part number 4, article number 51A. So, there are 11 fundamental duties. As a responsible citizen of the country, we have to follow those fundamental duties, and these fundamental duties have been inserted to the Indian Constitution as per 42nd Amendment in the year of 1976. It consists of 11 duties. For example, respecting to the national anthem, emblem, national flag, everything which are national symbolized. Protecting our motherland whenever it is required. Having an observation through scientific outlook. Protecting our nature. Should not harm it, should not pollute it. Okay. Historical monuments to be protected, being as a responsible citizen of country. And as I told earlier, only 10 fundamental duties were there, but 11th duty has added to Constitution, that is right to education. Age group from 6 to 14 children should be given free and compulsory education. And 5th point, we see parliamentary form of government. India has adopted from the UK, United Kingdom, and it consists of central government and state government. Even Panchayat Raj also will be there. Whereas president and governors will be the constitutional head. These are the nominal heads. Real executives are different: president and cabinet, CM and his cabinet. So up to here we are completed. Now we are going to see the next topics and next points we are going to see now. 6 point. Even these points also deals with the sign select features of the Indian Constitution. Then what are those and what they tell us about the Constitution. So the 6th point. Federal structure with a unitary spirit. Federal structure with a unitary spirit. So already we see about both the systems. What is federal system and what is unitary? What is unitary system also we have been seen it. Now let's see once again what is the exact difference in between both. So federal system where we have the different states comes together. Here the two types of government are going to be found: central government and federating states. We find in the federal government where we will find dual citizenship, dual judiciary system, dual governments will be there in the federal government. Dual government, written constitution, division of power. Dual government will be there. Then division of power. Then government also. Division of power, dual government. These are the features of the federal government, the written constitution also. These things we will see in the federal structure, whereas unitary system also followed in India. So what comes in unitary system? Single citizenship, that's important. India, being as a federal country, federal structure we adopted, then also we adopted few points from the unitary system also. That single citizenship is one of the best example. Then strong central government and common national anthem. Strong central government as well as common national anthem. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗೀತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗೀತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗೀತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವಜ ಇರಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಇರಲಿ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪ್ರತೀಕ ಇರಲಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಅದನಂತರ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ makes India has a unitary spirit, unitary government, and here dual government, division of power, central government, state government, panchayat raj. So this is the division of power and written constitution. These points makes India as a federal government. That's why Indian constitution is called as a federal structure with the unitary spirit. With unitary spirit. So this is an important feature of the Indian Constitution. Next point, directive principles of state policy. Directive principles of state policy. Now, these directive principles have been mentioned in the Indian Constitution, part number 4. Part 4 of Indian Constitution. It consists of directive principles of the state policy. Then what things have been mentioned here about the broad categories about the socialistic, Gandhian and liberal. So these directive principles can be categorized into the 3 categories: social, Gandhian and liberal. So on the basis of these 3 directive principles, which have been categorized into the 3, the whole state is going to be getting development. Directions will be provided how the state should be, ideal state should be. So Gandhi policy like that turn towards the villages, क्योंकि गांव का विकास होगा तो जाकर देश का विकास होगा, क्योंकि अभी भी 65 से 70% जो लोग हैं वो गांव में ही रहते हैं। इसलिए गांधी जी ने कहा जब तक गांव का विकास नहीं होगा, छोटे छोटे गांव का विकास नहीं होगा, तब तक देश का विकास असंभव है। So the Gandhian directive principles have been categorized. In these 3 categories, we will see directive principles which have been mentioned in the Indian Constitution, part number 4. And even they promote the ideal of the social and economic democracy. How villages and state can be developed social, economical, even politically also. Social and economical development. It will be deals with the directive principle 7. 8th one, independent judiciary. As we see, there is a division of power in between central government and state government. Division of power. Central government and state government. That's why the judiciary also look after to solve the problem in between central government as well as state government also. That's why we need independent judicial system. Division of power between central government and state government to solve the disputes. Solve disputes. Independent judiciary is needed. Independent judiciary is needed. So at central level or Indian level, there is a Supreme Court, and every state has a, or jointly 2 states has a high courts. So high courts can solve the issues internally. If there is any differences, any quarrels between state, center and state, those problems, those disputes will be solved by the Supreme Court. So Supreme Court comes on the highest level at Indian level, state level high court, and at local level, at panchayat level, there is subordinate courts, district level. Subordinate courts are going to be divided, and whatever the justice is provided by the judiciary, it will be based on the impartiality. Impartially, the judgment is going to given. Impartial judgment is going to be provided by the judiciary system. That is the main feature of our constitution. Indian constitution has established single integrated judicial system. Supreme Court is the apex, High Court is at state level. Apex यानी सबसे ऊपरी जो है, जब सबसे ऊपर सुप्रीम कोर्ट आता है, उसके बाद स्टेट कोर्ट आता है, हाई कोर्ट एट स्टेट लेवल एंड district level subordinate courts. Again, that will be divided into the civil court, criminal courts. So this is about the independent judiciary system. Ninth point is single citizenship. Yeah, just already we seen here. Now, what is the intention to have the single citizenship? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫೆಡರಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಾವು ಆರೋಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಫೆಡರಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಡ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕಡೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಶಿಪ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ವೈ? ಟು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಯುನಿಟಿ, ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಅಖಂಡತೆ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಖಂಡಿತ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಶಿಪ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ದಟ್ ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್. To protect that unity and integrity of country, single citizenship has been adopted, and this provides equal opportunities, equality, freedom to all its citizens. Rights, freedom, and equal protection. Citizen entitled them. Equality, freedom, even protections, all the citizens are getting by this single citizenship. So we are getting the central government's citizenship, not state governments. हमारा जो नागरिकत्व है तो वो भारतीय है, ना ही महाराष्ट्र आता है, ना ही कर्नाटक ही आता है या कन्नड़ आता है. तो हम सब क्या है, भारतीय है. सो दैट इज अ सिंगल सिटीजनशिप वी गॉट and which protects our equality, fraternity, freedom. This all the rights are going to be protected. Will be protected, secured by our constitution. Next one is about the emergency powers. So single citizenship you can see here, which is a very common one for everyone. Commonly we have national anthem, national flag, and all of the things. Emergency powers. So there are the three types of emergencies can be declared in the country. One is national emergency, second state emergency, third financial emergency. National, state and financial. So this national emergency is going to be declared as per the article number 352. Article number. And when it is going to be introduced? When there is an aggression on the country by another. Aggression, or mostly at the time of aggression itself. जब दूसरा देश हमारे देश पर एग्रेशन कोई भी अटैक करता है तब नेशनल इमरजेंसी डिक्लेयर होती है, और अब तक 3 बार नेशनल इमरजेंसी डिक्लेयर की गई है, 3 times as per the article number 352, and these all the emergencies can be declared by the president. Second emergency, which is called as state emergency, as per the article number 356. Then when state emergency is going to declare? When there is a breakdown of governmental machinery. Governmental machinery ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಶಿಫಾರಸು ತಗೊಂಡ emergency declare ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So the whole state comes under the president's rule. Okay, and it has been introduced more than 100 times. State emergency has been declared in the country more than 100 times as per the president rule. And third, financial emergency is going to be declared as per the 360 article, and yet it is not enacted. Not yet. But when financial emergency can be declared? When the condition of the country or country is going to be suffering from the financial recession. ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಶ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನಾನು yet we Indian government has not declared financial emergency. Not a single time also financial emergency is not declared. So these all the emergency powers, national emergency, state emergency, financial emergency, all will be declared by the president of the India. President of India. It is going to be declared. That is it. Emergency powers we do have. The next one is about the universal adult franchising. So what is exactly universal adult franchising? Now this universal adult franchising is going to change as per the country. इसका मतलब है जो व्यक्ति हमारे देश में, भारत देश में 18 साल पूरा करता है, उस व्यक्ति को मतदान का अधिकार, चुनाव वोट डालने का अधिकार हमारे देश में मिलता है. Person who has completed 18 age, a citizen of the country has completed 18 age, so he will get right to vote. And it is when that citizen should complete 18 age and his name should be enrolled in the local voter list. मेरे 18 साल पूरे हैं लेकिन मेरा नाम उस लिस्ट में नहीं है, मैंने नेम ही एनरोल नहीं किया, तो मुझे कहां से अधिकार मिलेगा? चाहे मैं 18 साल का हूं या 30 साल का हूं या फिर बूढ़ा क्यों ना हूं, अगर मेरा नाम वोटर लिस्ट में नहीं है तो मुझे मतदान का अधिकार नहीं होगा. मेरा नाम उस यादी में होना चाहिए, उस एनरोलमेंट में मेरा नाम होना चाहिए, तब जाकर मैं वोट कर सकता हूँ, और एल्स नो. So that is, and all Indian elections are going to be conducted on the basis of universal adult franchising. Okay, citizens who have attained age of 18 years are provided with the right to vote without any discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, gender, or birthplace. Right to vote without any discrimination. Discrimination based on caste, creed, which is called even sex or birthplace. Even one more thing I want to tell about the birthplace. Think, you are the citizen of Karnataka, means you are resident of Karnataka, and you are going to asking vote in Maharashtra. So are you able to vote in Maharashtra? No. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇರೋದಾದ್ರೆ ರವಿವಾಸಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ವೋಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಾಗ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಬೇರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯನ್ಸಿ ಬೇರೆ ಮತಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆದವರು ಯಾವನ್ನೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮತಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, so without any discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, gender, birthplace, a person or the citizen of the country who has completed 18 age, he will get the right of vote on the basis of universal adult franchise. Okay, so students, this is enough for today's video. Still more points are there that we are going to continue in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.